Now we are discussing what are the physical factors that are affecting the value of a resistor. First physical factor, that is length. Resistance, resistor, we discussed. A passive component which offers the resistance is called as a resistor. Now, the resistance of a resistor is directly proportional to the length. Means when we increase the length of a resistor, then obviously resistance value also increases. This is directly proportional. So if we take 1 centimeter and some 1 centimeter by 10 centimeter width, 1 centimeter width and 10 centimeter length example, or 10 centimeter length and 1 centimeter width iron scale, and if we increase its length to 20 centimeters, obviously the resistance value also increases by double. Similarly, the resistance value, when we are decreasing the length, the resistance value also decreases. Another physical parameter, area. The resistance value is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. What is cross-sectional area? If this is resistor, we are not interested in calculating the entire area. We will see only cross-sectional area. Means if I cut this circle is the cross-section. This cross-sectional area. Okay? If we increase the cross-sectional area, then the resistance value decreases. So it is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. Now, from the above two are directly proportional to L. This is one equality, inequality, or you can take in any form. From these two relations, we can write R is directly proportional to L by A. Therefore, R is equal to some constant into L by A. This constant is rho. Therefore, R is equal to rho L by A. This rho is resistivity. Its value is constant. For example, for iron, the resistivity value rho is equal to 1.91 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. If we take 1 kg iron or 10 kg iron or 100 kg iron, the resistivity value remains same. The resistivity value does not change, so it is constant. Similarly, if we take the silver, it is 1.59 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. So the silver resistivity. If we take 10 kg silver or 100 kg silver or 1000 kg silver, the resistivity of 10 kg silver or 100 kg silver or 1000 kg silver remains same. Only the resistance value changes with the length, resistance value changes with the area, but the resistivity value does not change with the physical factors. Resistivity of a material remains constant always. Whether I take small piece of iron, whether I take a large piece of iron, the resistivity of both pieces is same. That is the difference between resistance and resistivity.